Hey everyone, in today's video you're going to learn how to improve your writing skills. I'm also going to share how I have improved my writing skills. In this video I will share a bonus tip on how you can get checked whatever you have written. I have figured out amazing and easy way for this. So stick around till the end. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, personality development, work from home ideas and lot more, and you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. One thing you need to understand before you watch these tips, each of you will have different areas to improve when it comes to writing. So before I talk about common tips for all of you, I want you to identify your area of weakness first. It can be too many grammatical mistakes, or you may be not having sufficient word to write, or you may not be able to form proper structure of the sentences. If you face any of these problems, first you should focus on improving your English. Brushing up basics is extremely important. Once you're fair enough in English, here is what you can do to improve your writing skills. Before I begin, if you are watching me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Number one step in improving your writing skill is read. Yes, you heard that right. The more you read articles written by others, more knowledge you gain. That's how I have improved my writing skills. When you read articles, newspaper, books, make sure you read it with full concentration on how sentences are being made, how and where punctuations are being used. There are a lot of things that needs to be considered. Wait, read it again. There are a lot of things that needs to be considered. While writing, better way would be we need to consider lot of things. To write effectively, you must have fair knowledge of active, passive and direct, indirect. I have made many videos on how to improve your English and on grammar topics. If you want, you can go here, click here and watch those videos. While writing, punctuation plays crucial role. To convey your message correctly, you must use punctuation correctly. Let me give you an example. Look at this sentence. Let's eat Ram. Now another one. Let's eat Ram. In the first sentence, if you don't put comma, it means chalo Ram ko khate hain. In the second sentence, if you put comma, it means chalo Ram khate hain. Aap khana khane ke liye Ram ko bol rahe ho. So you must know basic punctuations like colon, semicolon, comma, question mark, exclamatory and all. One more commonly made mistake that you must avoid is getting confused with contractions and possessive pronoun. Let me give you an example here. ITS, it's, and IT and then apostrophe and S. These two are the things where people often get confused. Now read this sentence. Mobile is of no use without its charger. Here, it represents possessive pronoun. So it represents possession. If I say, it's great to be here, in this sentence, it's represent contraction of it is. So while writing, you make sure you don't get confused between these two. You must write more. To practice writing, you can write about your everyday routine or you can just make up a simple story in your own words. But writing only is not sufficient unless you get it checked from someone. So I would recommend using Grammarly, but it has some limitations in its free version. So I have come up with another idea. What you can do, find a friend or someone who is good at English. Pay them to get checked whatever you have written. See, don't expect anyone to do it for free for you. Okay, one can do it for once in a while, but not every day. So I would recommend fix a price per paisa per word, just like they do in content writing, and then you can get it checked. I would strongly suggest that you can go for the students who are 9th and 10th or 11th, 12th, whoever is free to do it and whoever is good at English. This way, you will come to know your mistakes and you will improve faster. Whatever you are writing, your message should be conveyed easily. Do not overstuff your article with difficult words. Keep it simple. Keep short and simple sentences. In the beginning, try to avoid lengthy sentences. See, the ultimate goal is to have more people reading your article. Before I move on to bonus tip, if you have found anything useful in this video, do share it with your friends and family. And once again, if you're new, do not forget to subscribe. Coming to bonus tip, if you have fair knowledge of English, but if you want to become better at it, if you want to improve it, then you should take up content writing work for some days. That's how I have improved. They proofread your article and then they tell you your minor mistakes. So the biggest advantage is that you're getting paid for whatever you have written and it is being checked also. See, when you do it on your own, you may not do it seriously every day, but if it's your work, you will be bound to do it. That's it for today. Do share your views about this video in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching me.